Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're shedding light on SunPower, one of the largest solar installers in the country. They offer some of the best solar panels for residential installations. But is it the right fit for you? Let's dive in and find out. SunPower stands out with its top-notch solar panels, leading the pack in efficiency and backed by strong warranties. Their panels, branded as SunPower Equinox, offer up to 22.8% efficiency and come with in-phase microinverters, known for their reliability. SunPower also offers SunVault batteries in different sizes, ensuring you have backup power during blackouts. These batteries boast a robust warranty, retaining 70% charge after 10 years. Before diving in, remember that shopping for solar requires careful research. Assess your energy needs, compare quotes from various installers, and consider financing options that fit your budget. SunPower's prices vary by location, and while they offer top-tier equipment, it may not be necessary if you can meet your needs with more affordable panels. Still, SunPower is starting to offer more cost-effective options, including Qcells panels. To get a quote from SunPower, fill out a form on their website, and a solar advisor will reach out to you. Work with them to design your solar system based on your energy bills and specific requirements. In conclusion, SunPower is a solid choice for those seeking high-quality solar panels with exceptional warranties. However, if your energy needs can be met with cheaper options, you might find better alternatives. Always get multiple quotes to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching our SunPower review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and updates. Stay powered up and make the best choice for your solar journey with Product Critique. See you next time.